Hi, I'm Ben from Sanremo, and today we're going to be setting a recipe using the touchscreen function on the X1. The first thing we're going to do when setting a recipe is change the dose weight by selecting here. We can change the dose weight by selecting the plus and minus keys, or by using the scrolling bar underneath. Once we are happy with our dose weight, we can recap it on the next menu by pressing the arrow key. Here we can see the dose weight we've selected, the name of the recipe, the speed, and the distance. We can also store and save recipes on this page. We hold this button here to shortcut to the recipe page. Once we are done, press the home button and we return to the menu. Next, we are going to change the spacing and the speed. We can do this by pressing here. We can alter the distance of the burrs, measured in microns, by using this scrolling bar. The color of the bar helps us to indicate espresso to filter range. If we would like to change the speed at which the burrs spin, we can select this here. This will change from a range of 3 different settings: 1000, 1200, and 1400 RPM. We can also, if enabled, press here and alter anywhere between a range of 800 to 1500 RPM. Once we have selected, we can press the tick and return to the home menu. As you can see, the screen is split into 2 separate settings. Each one controls a different hopper. With each hopper, we can save up to 3 recipes and 3 doses using this button here to rotate through them. If we would like to copy settings across all of our doses, we can click here and enable the sync function here. To quick upload a recipe from the home page, hold this button and select it from the menu. If we like a recipe that we have just created using a template, we can save it by using this button here, as an existing recipe or as a new recipe to be quick uploaded. Pressing this button here allows for the pre-dosing feature to be engaged. This means that beans will be pre-dosed whilst in the grinding process. This bar underneath indicates where they are in the pre-dosing process. A green bar signifies that it's ready to go. We can also adjust the parameters of our bypass by pressing here. Here you can see we can set 4 different distances of grind size and also adjust the speed. We can select the speed by clicking here and adjusting using the controls underneath. The burr distance we can select here. We can also import and export recipes using the USB beneath the touchscreen. We can use this for firmware updates and configuration of parameters, allowing us to replicate them across multiple grinders. The 3 buttons at the base of the touchscreen each control a different section of the grinder. This one for the left hopper, this one for the right hopper, and the middle one for the bypass chamber. Each controls the activation of the grinder. If we hold the selection button during the dosing process, we can then adjust the speed and distance of the grind before any grinding happens. We can also purge the system and start again. If you'd like more information on the X1, check out our next video.